Do you hear that? Sounds like it's in the bathroom.
Sounds like someone's talking or...
No way!
Oh, dude.
Hey, I'm watching Happy Trails in here.
Oh,
Get out of here.
Oh. That's how you open a beer with a camera while filming in front of a Winnebago. Oh dang, woke life. I think I need to see more about this thing. Let's see if we can get some info here.
Hey, g'day, mate. Welcome to the Outback, Arizona. Hey, check this out. There's something crazy. Come on in.
So it's crazier on the
I keep hearing
inside,
something. Huh? Do you hear that? Sounds like it's in the bathroom.
Sounds like someone's talking or...
No way!
Oh, dude.
Hey, I'm watching Happy Trails in here.
Oh,
Get out of here.
Oh my gosh. Alright, hey, it's Jess. Hello to everybody new. Hey to all of our old guys. We got Happy here with Happy's Trails. If you haven't checked out his channel, I recommend it. We're here in his Winnebago Revel.
Yes.
Yeah.
2019 Winnebago Revel. It's on a 2018 Mercedes Sprinter van 4x4 chassis. That's a whole lot of information.
That is a lot. Alright, well, let's see what we got going on here. Where do we want to start?
So in the front, it's just a basic Sprinter van, except that it has the seats that spin around. That's pretty nice, you know, makes a little more room. That's all the way back. Got a little lounge.
Yeah, it looks pretty comfy. They look like pretty nice seats there.
This one spins around as well.
Oh, the driver's
dinette.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we got our table right here.
Yeah, you already saw the plush leather.
Oh my gosh, I was dying over this. It's so soft. Like you said, it almost feels like velvet.
I know,
and
right?
It almost feels softer than velvet. It's kind of crazy.
You know, I thought that I really wanted a bathroom or needed a bathroom, which I don't ever use it. The only person that's ever used it, well, you saw there was a Yeti in there a second ago. was a friend that used it to rinse off one time. So I don't know if I was female, if that might be a bigger perk, but I'm not.
He's not wrong.
Yeah, right.
I'm capable of going to the bathroom like behind a tree or like in the front of a vehicle if nobody's in front of the vehicle, but like having a bathroom is like on point for a female.
So even like a cassette toilet would be nice though, you know?
Yeah,
don't need a full-blown.
Yeah, I mean, unless it's like an emergency, because
yeah,
I mean, I've never had one of these, but from what I understand, you really don't want to
dump them.
Yeah.
So over here is kind of the control panel and stuff, and it has, you know, your whole solar system, your water
pumps.
Has
solar?
Yeah, it's all self-contained. Like that's the whole thing with it, is like it runs off of solar and the diesel fuel that's in the tank. You don't have to have any propane or any external stuff other than that. The only time you do is when you need to run that rear AC, which is a huge bummer that you don't get to run it like off the motor and stuff.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So I like that they did that. So it has a, you know, it has that Espar diesel heater, which is nice. You just set the thermostat and it uses the diesel that's in the fuel tank, and it won't go below a quarter tank. It shuts off.
Oh, that's
so you always have gas to get off.
Yeah, we had a toy hauler that ran off of the gas as well.
Yeah, it's nice, huh?
It was pretty nice, but I like that it has that quarter tank where it stops, because I don't think ours did. I think it would have just like
then sucked it dry.
Yeah. And you know, we were using it because I had the little gas pump. So.
Yeah. So then
sketchy.
it has like a max air fan. Over here on the control panel, also, sorry, I forgot to show you, is like the light button. So
oh
it's
my
got
goodness.
LEDs. Has them underneath here.
Oh, that's convenient.
So it has a lot of like really convenient stuff. This one's for the bathroom where we already saw.
Yeah. With the Yeti.
Yeah. So, and then this has the controller for the bed also. It goes up and down, so I can push this button right here. And
now is that just for like storage? What would you need to use that for?
it's nice because like you put it all the way up to the roof, and then you have like pretty much standing room to put all your stuff in your garage and stuff.
Kind of like storage.
Yeah.
I've seen these before, but I don't know how they actually work.
They have this like cover here so that it's really dusty. We just came down a dirt road, so it's gives you more counter space. Then you flip it up, and then that gives you your sink right there.
Oh, that's cool.
And it has a drain, and if you're just not perfectly level, they give you a pump here. You push this button, it's loud, watch.
Oh
and
my
it, like,
god!
sucks it out and spits it to the gray tank.
Sound like
for
one
you.
of those like warning.
I know, right?
And then you got a stove over here.
Yep.
That's
an
pretty
induction
neat.
cooktop, so you need like actual metal plates and stuff. And
oh wow!
I've used it to boil water. Is about the extent that I've used it. You know, and then it has a little extended countertop here.
Oh, that's
and
nice.
then this will drop down as well, and you bring this cushion over here, and it makes a single bed.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. So
you have the option if ever needed.
Exactly.
That's cool. And it looks like we got a little fridge over here.
Fridge. It's a little dirty. Well, it's a lot dirty. It's got some tasty beverages in there.
Ooh.
Some Modelo's and some more orange beers.
Because that's what we need when we're out in our Sprinter van.
Some drawers with, you know, utensils and
Those
stuff.
locking mechanisms are so cool.
Yeah, they come in real handy. You got
nice.
plugs everywhere, USB ports.
This thing is cool. And what are these just cabinets here?
Yeah, that's just another cabinet. It's just like a pantry.
Oh, that's cool.
And then I got this metal detector here. It usually goes in the bathroom, but I think like boop, 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 boop. Oh, she's solid gold.
Oh, he's so nice.
And you got the bathroom here. We'll open it up now that it's unoccupied. The little bifold
Where'd the Yeti go?
Yeah. Little bifold door. This is normally where I keep my metal detector and my guitar there.
It's kind of like a little closet. Oh, and it has these slots for shelving, right?
Yeah, here they are right here. It's bamboo shelving. So that's usually what it is a lot of the time, is just storage, extra storage.
Yeah.
And then like I said, that light was the light.
Oh wow, that light's really good.
And then it has a little built-in, what are those called other than fart fans? I don't know what people call them. Exhaust fan?
Exhaust, yeah, because it sucks it out. Bill was just telling me about this. Knowledge is power.
So, and then I got the home gym in the back.
The home gym?
Well, it's my bed, but
oh, dang.
Come on over to Happy's Gym.
Dang.
I'll move out of the way so you can check it out.
Yeah, let me check it out. Stay over there.
Check out my home gym.
Dang.
And don't forget it goes up and
down. Dang. That's crazy. I mean, it makes sense, but it's super cool. And so now you can open these doors over here.
Yeah, let me go do it. Oh, hi, Ron.
Oh, hello. Wow. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, so that's about it, other than a couple little outside little thingies like controls down here.
Cool. Well, I want to check out the outside of this bad boy.
Yeah, so out here it's pretty standard. I didn't do much except I put bigger tires. It's got the Method race wheels.
Yeah, I was looking at those.
That was an option that came with it.
That was an option that came with it?
Yeah,
what?
so I
so
jumped
cool.
on that and then put the bigger size tires on it.
What size tires are these?
It comes with 245s and I went up to 275, 75 17s.
Okay.
So easier to roll over stuff, and you know, I got a little, they
and
already
these
had the KO2s on it, the BF Goodrich.
That's awesome.
And you felt it coming up here, it does pretty well.
Yeah,
for a big
it
old
really
beast.
does.
I mean,
I was kind of worried, you know, I didn't know how this would handle. I did check out some of his videos, and another video he collaborated with Down to Mop. Throwing here. Oop, I guess. Oops. Bronson will edit that out.
Yourself.
But I did check it out, and this thing does really good. It's surprising at how well it does.
I know, look at all the recent pinstripe that just got added.
Yeah, check it out. It's that Arizona pinstriping.
Yeah, buddy.
I feel like it's a privilege, in my opinion.
Yeah.
Happy trails.
And then
Yeah.
my buddy actually designed this. This is actually his Props and Glory is his Instagram, and he's a native artist, and he had to get permission from like the elders and stuff to do this, you know what I mean?
Wow.
And he went through all the proper channels, did it, and then I asked him if I could do it, and he graciously let me do it.
Great artwork
Wrecked it
as
sticker
well.
on there.
Yes!
It's official since I damaged
Wrecked
up
it!
the Nerf bar.
I'm sorry, but I think the Wrecked It Band-Aids are a privilege as well.
Yeah.
If you use your stuff and you need a Band-Aid, you're doing it right. Well, maybe not like the best, but like pretty good.
So it's got a
Wow.
toe hinge. That ladder you can take off and move it anywhere around it. Easy too. All you do is untwist this thing right here. That way people can come steal my ladder, huh?
Now we know.
I'll bring it back.
I'm like, Happy, I need to borrow your ladder. Wow, that's super easy. Oh my gosh.
And it's like light too, you know what I mean? It's not-
Yeah, he's like one-handing it over here.
And then you put it on the lip of that rail. Well, you want to make sure it has something to push on, but
Oh yeah.
I was gonna put it in the tire one.
Wow.
There you go.
Fancy.
Climb up there and take a picture
Have
so you
you-
can see the solar and stuff.
Here you go, hold my beer. All right, let's see if I can do this one-handed. Oh,
You got it.
actually, I'm not doing that bad.
Hercules, Hercules.
Except for I'm not good with using my feet very much.
Yeah.
Ah, there's a bee!
You don't use those very often, right? Your feet.
No,
I
they're
don't
so
walk.
big. Oh my gosh, that is freaking cool. You can see your little light with your fan. Wow, and the AC, nice.
The Wii Boost antenna up there is sticking up.
Oh
looking all
yeah.
awkward. People are like, hey, why's your thing up? I'm like,
You got a dongle. Woo. That's super cool. I'm super jealous of your solar there.
the solar system is a pretty good one.
All right, let's see if I can get down. If I want to do
you got
this,
it.
I'm committed. And if I fall, it'll be good content, right?
So another cool thing I forgot to tell you about is like the
Might steal
mirror,
that one.
all the windows inside.
Uh-huh.
They got like, if you pull down, it's the screen. And if
Oh!
you push it up, they're blinds. you know?
Blackout.
Yeah.
Oh, I
So
love
it's nice if you
this.
want to sleep in, you know.
Yeah.
And then this is where the cassette toilet is. So
Ooh.
it's separate from the gray tank, which is nice because gray, I mean, isn't as hazardous, you know what I mean? So you can take it
Right.
into any kind of like bathroom and just dump it, you know?
That's kind of
You
nice.
don't need an actual dump.
Yeah. You
And
don't
then
have to go to the RV place and
Yeah, or find a dump
Hook her
somewhere
up.
or worry about it.
Nice. That is so easy. That's super cool. So then if anything goes down, you just undo or you can use it right there. That's
Yeah.
super cool.
I usually just go up right there.
Yeah.
So although it is nice that it moves around, you probably don't need it.
Yeah.
But I mean, if you're gonna remove something, it's nice to be right where it's at so you can remove it.
Heck
you know?
yeah.
So maybe for like people who work on it, but I ain't doing nothing.
How
There's no warranty before.
do I look? Should Bronson buy me one? Guess we're gonna find out. Or should he get me a rooftop tent for the JK? We'll see what he has to say. Let me know what you think in the comments. I mean, like, look where we are. This van took all the terrain that requires coming out here. We came down this hill over here. You can't see it too good. Well, thank you for your time, Happy, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Again, Happy from Happy's Trails, and Jess, Bronson's better half.
From Wreck Gear.
From Wreck Gear, yeah.
Yeah.
Wreck. Oh, here. Let's see. Sweet shirt. I'm awkward, I know, I'm sorry.